Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today in this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you some important terms related to the chapter 8 bills of exchange. These important terms will help you a lot in just solving the questions related to bills of exchange. Without knowing the meaning of these terms, you can't solve the questions. So let me explain you the very first term related to bills of exchange is discounting of bill. Okay, what do you mean by discounting of bill? Bill, as we know, is the monetary expression of the goods dealt with. Dealing is done in between the seller and the buyer of the goods, and whatever is the amount of the goods being dealt with, or say in between seller and purchaser, is known as bill. We are discounting the bill. Discounting means some portion of the bill is not counted, or in the bill some amount is underestimated. Suppose the bill is of rupees 1000, and if we are valuing bill as rupees 950, then this 50 rupees, which is less valued, or say less valuation of bill, is known as discount. Now, this discounting of bill is done by the drawer only. Drawer means the seller, who after the acceptance of bill of exchange by the purchaser have bill receivable with him. Bill receivable means the payment of the bill will be received in the near future by the drawer. Now this drawer of the bill or the seller, if is in emergent need of fund or say money, then if facility is provided by the bank that this bill receivable with the drawer can be encashed from the bank. Bank has to wait for receiving the payment from the drawee or say purchaser, and for waiting this period, bank discounts the bill. Discounts the bill, you can just assume that it is just like a commission of the bank, because for long tenure, for long duration, bank has to wait for receiving the payment of the bill. And for this waiting period, some amount as its commission is charged by the bank, known as discounting of bill. Suppose the bill is of rupees 1000 rupees. Already I explained you in the beginning as an introduction of this important term. Bill of 1000 rupees will be discounted, means undervalued by bank, and that underestimated amount will be known as discount or say commission of the bank. So suppose bank discounted the bill and the discounting charges was rupees 50. So 1000 minus 50 rupees 950 is the amount which will be received by the drawer of the bill receivable handed over by him, that is drawer, to the bank. Okay, right? This is known as discounting of bill, and this charged amount by bank is known as discounting charges. Okay, the entry related to discounting of bill is bank account debit, discounting charges account debit. To bill receivable account. Bank account debit shows that the amount through increase in the bank account of drawer will happen. Okay, the payment will be received by the drawer, and when payment from bank, either in the form of check or in some other form, is received, then there is increase in the bank balance of the drawer, and increase in assets is shown on the debit side, and hence I have shown here bank account on the debit side. Discounting charges is a loss for the drawer. The losses are always debited when they increases, and hence I have debited discounting charges. To bill receivable. To bill receivable means this bill receivable will no more remain in the hands of drawer and will be handed over to bank. Bill receivable, as earlier I explained you, is an asset for the drawer. That asset is decreasing because it is handed over to the bank. That's why I have shown bill receivable on the credit side as a decrease in the asset. Okay, how much payment? 950 was received, 50 was the discount, and bill receivable amount is 1000. Okay, as an instance I have used in the explanation of this discounting of bill term, right? This is the journal entry which is needed to be passed in the books of drawer. Now, endorsement of bill. Endorse means transfer. Endorse means transfer of bill. This bill indicates the bill receivable with the drawer. Sometimes what happens, in absence of cash, in absence of fund with the drawer, and on demand of money from the creator of drawer, because the drawer also purchases goods on credit basis, and whosoever are the creators of drawer, they demand money for the credit purchase made by him. Now, in the absence of money, the option available to drawer is endorsement of bill receivable. Simply what drawer will say, that I am having bill receivable with me whose payment will be received on such and such date, but is not having sufficient cash to make yours payment. If you are interested in this bill receivable, as it is sure that the bill payment will be received in the near future, I can hand over this bill receivable to you, right? As the creator of the drawer is not having any other option, so what the creator of drawer do? He accept the bill receivable from drawer, right? This is known as endorsement. Endorsement means transfer of bill from drawer to the creator of drawer. Okay, right? So in this case, the journal entry to be passed is endorsement entry is creator debit to bill receivable account. Create a debit to bill receivable account. As due to transfer of bill receivable to the creator will decrease. Creator, whenever decreases, are to be shown or is to be shown on the debit side, and hence I have shown creator on the debit side, and bill receivable being handed over to the creator is also decreasing. Bill receivable is an asset for the drawer, it is decreasing. The decrease in asset is shown on the credit side. So this is the generality which is needed to be passed in the case of endorsement. Right. Now, third, bill sent for collection. This I will explain you later on in the next online class. Right. So just write the important terms. The notes I will provide you, and some notes I have already provided you related to these terms. Okay, and more notes I will provide you related to these terms, and will explain you these all the terms in the preceding online classes of accountancy. So keep watching the YouTube video explanations which I am sharing with you on the class groups. Okay, till then, have a nice day.